Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I want to talk to you about Pi-hole and so forth. As you can see, I run Pi-hole on my network, which it works out really, really good. Um, if you never used Pi-hole, you may want to check into it. Um, it's an awesome piece of software, so uh, it works out very, very well. But anyway, Pi-hole does not obviously block all ads, and we all know that, everybody that uses this. So you can add some extensions and whatnot, maybe download some other software on the computer or whatnot. Well, I came across, and it seems to be working out pretty well, this other piece of software. I use Chrome, Google Chrome browser 99.9% of the time. Uh, Edge and Internet Explorer just is too slow. So, um, anyway, what we'll what we're going to do here is, once I bring up the window here, now I just opened up another Google tab using the incognito way, so it don't show that I'm signed in or whatnot. So what we need to do is we can just go to Google and we can just search out Ublock, and it should come up. You want the Ublock origin, and we're just going to add this to Chrome. So if you just click on that, it'll take you right to it. And as you can see, I already have it installed. So you'll just want to click on, I think, add to Chrome or whatever it may say. And if you have it showing like this, this is what we want. So once you have it in the Chrome, we'll go back over here. As you can see, it'll add a little tab up here. So if we click on that, if you see blue, it's enabled, it's working. So as you can see, it says click to disable. You can turn it off or you turn it back on. And you can see down here, since it was installed, and so forth. So if we click on this little button here, it'll open up the dashboard. And as you can see, you got some settings you can mess with, some other things you can mess with, and for your block list and everything. So if you click on these, make them bigger, you can select these guys, whatever you feel like doing. So if we just click on them, apply changes, then we'll update it. You can see these numbers here, they'll move. They'll go up or down depending on what you have clicked on. But I mean, you can go, and go. Now, this will definitely help block some ads. There ain't no doubt about it. The nice, cool thing about this piece of software is, like, if we go to YouTube, you can see now we're up to 2. So if we click on it, you'll see this keep going up and up and up. Let's go to another website here. So every website you go to, this number will change to either 0 or however many. But as you can see, it's going up, that's for sure. And it'll keep going up, But but you can click on it, get a little more detailed thing at what's going on. So we're already up to 45, 49, 55, and it just keeps rolling. So, but so far it seems to be working very well. So I thought I'd just share this. So if anybody uses Pi-hole and wants a little more added protection, you might want to definitely check out Ublock and let it run in the background. And if you need to disable it, just hit the button. And if you're signed in through your browser or whatnot, it'll put it on basically every browser you're synced to everything basically. So if you have it set up that way. But anyway, I don't want to keep dragging on, so hopefully this helps out, and stay tuned for another one.